This 2026 Heartland North Trail 260DB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Jackson, Michigan, 49202 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, Jackson. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Heartland is 32 feet 0 inches in length and features a CALLI SAND interior, sleeps 10, slide-out, and 55 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.